Right at the top of this video here, this is all about Gelatine Sculpt. If you're looking around for Gelatine Sculpt reviews, Gelatine Sculpt drops, ingredients, Amazon, Walmart, whatever, I have the information you're likely looking for. So I'm assuming that you're coming to my video either because you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing, or because you saw something online. You saw an ad that led you to a lengthy video, maybe with celebrities that had deepfakes. So this video that I'm making here, my video that you're watching, is not going to call Gelatine Sculpt drops a scam. It is, however, going to point out that there is scam marketing going on out there. There's no credible evidence the company behind the product is running the scam marketing. I, however, am still going to make this video to warn people about the scam marketing that is going on out there. And so here's what I saw. There is a website that is not, it's not like it's gelatinesculpt.com or something official looking. It's a different website that claims it's Fox News. And it is a website that has deepfakes, meaning manipulated lip movement of Kelly Clarkson, of Dr. Jennifer Ashton, and other celebrities. No celebrities, no doctors, no hospitals, no universities have ever endorsed this product. They also show Kourtney Kardashian, I think if I know my Kardashians, which I really don't know that well, and other celebrities. Maybe they show Rebel Wilson at some point, or Adele, or something like that. And they keep showing people with a bowl of like red or other colored gelatin, like there's a gelatin trick, right? And guess what? There is no gelatin trick. And you know, it says the formula that made Kelly Clarkson shock the world by losing over 60 pounds in just weeks without giving up hamburgers, pasta, and sweets. This is a scam marketing. It looks like it's coming from Brazil. And again, my video does not call Gelatine Sculpt a scam. It could just be a healthy supplement that maybe someone made to try to help people with weight loss or whatever, or something like that. But this scam marketing I want to talk about because I saw the video and it begins with Dr. Jennifer Ashton and Kelly Clarkson and other people talking about eating a cube of a strange gelatin trick and how Kelly Clarkson lost 60 pounds in just 60 days with a gelatin. And I say gelatin, well, the gelatin without an E at the end trick. And they talk about a Gelatine Sculpt product. So it's got an E at the end of the product and Gelatine. A little confusing, I know. They show different weight loss transformation photos in the video on the website that I saw, and they claim that this gelatin trick is going to help you, and that Dr. Jennifer Ashton from GMA, from ABC, has something to do with this. And they use her with deepfake visuals, meaning manipulated lip movement with AI-generated audio, obviously without her permission. And she's been featured in many scams in the past. It's hard for people like her, famous doctors, networks to find the people behind these scams because they move around so fast. They change product names, whatever. It might not be worth the time and money, in case you're wondering why. Maybe they're not trying to take this sort of stuff down. But what I saw is that they showed Dr. Jennifer Ashton interviewing and talking with Kelly Clarkson. And Kelly Clarkson also has nothing to do with this. She's also presented with deepfake visuals, manipulated lip movement, and AI-generated audio, talking about how this is the way she lost weight, which is just not true. She's been featured in a lot of scams, Kelly Clarkson has, as a celebrity to prop up a scam many times in the past, with keto gummies especially. This is apparently a dropper bottle. It's called Gelatine Sculpt. And with the video, they're going to claim, they make a lot of claims. They're going to, like I said, they're going to show a lot of weight loss transformation photos that aren't involved with this product at all. They're just stolen from somewhere else. They're going to show people making gelatin in like a bowl or whatever, and that has nothing to do with this. That, the recipe promise of a gelatin trick is a classic scam thing these days. Scammers love to claim there's a trick, a hack, a ritual, a method, whatever. And it takes 7 seconds, 10 seconds, 2 minutes, 30 seconds, 15 seconds. And they combine different buzzwords, key phrases, slogans, whatever, to create marketing terms to make you think that this has some sort of miracle value. And the company itself, Gelatine Sculpt, if you look for an official website, they won't say anything like this. So again, I'm separating the product from the scam marketing. I'm not saying that they're the same. There's no credible evidence the company behind this is doing this scam marketing. So because that's clear, the promise of a scam, or promise of a recipe rather, is a hook to get you to watch an entire video because they're never going to present you with a gelatin trick. You might be wondering, well, at the end, if it's just a dropper bottle of supplements, Jordan, why would anyone buy this? It's a good question, but apparently it works. It works for the scam marketing people. So in the video, Dr. Jennifer Ashton talks at length for like an hour, And she will claim that this gelatin trick is backed by Harvard, Yale, Cambridge, Johns Hopkins, whatever. And of course, no universities or institutions ever endorse this. There are deepfakes of real TikTok users pretending that they, in their viral videos, talked about this, young girls. It's not true. And they'll show other celebrities. They even show at one point a complete deepfake, actually a full AI generated version of Dr. Jennifer Ashton in a kitchen in front of a bowl of gelatin, a clear bowl, and she's talking. And there's a blurry little, and it's like a little Google Gemini, Nano Banana Pro, whatever you call it, logo in the bottom right that's blurred. And that means that it was created by an AI tool, the Google Gemini or whatever. And they show Dr. Mark Hyman in the video. He has nothing to do with this. And other famous people. Maybe they'll show Oprah Winfrey. This is not something that has legitimacy. If you want to lose weight, make a plan with your doctor. If you're like, I don't trust doctors, I don't trust Big Pharma, which I get that a lot in my comments. Look, don't go fall for a textbook online scam whenever you could be, going to speak with someone who is a credible medical professional in your town with a doctor's appointment. If you don't like a doctor you went to, ask your friends, ask your family members. Hey, who's your doctor? Okay, I'll go see them. Don't go fall for a textbook online scam. I hope that's kind of clear. So I could keep talking at length about this Kelly Clarkson scam, which she has nothing to do with. Dr. Jennifer Ashton. If you're looking up Gelatine Sculpt reviews, Gelatine Sculpt complaints, Gelatine Sculpt, Consumer Reports, ingredients, Walmart, Amazon, just because it's on Walmart.com and Amazon.com, third-party listings, it doesn't mean it's credible. You're not going to find a Walmart store in your town, If you're looking this stuff up, I hope that my video reached you, because I'm not trying to sell you another product. I'm not like, hey, welcome to my video. Go buy this other thing called Jordan's Elixir or whatever, right? I don't know. I'm trying to get you to save you, rather, from falling for this, because you probably saw this out there if you're watching my video and you came from Google or whatever. And so if I reached you, that is very cool. And I'm glad that I hopefully saved you. Sometimes people tell me in my comments, hey, I had my information put in. I was just about to put my credit card info in, and I decided to search for this, and I found your video, Jordan. Thank you so much. And that's cool. So Gelatine Sculpt reviews, Gelatine Sculpt for weight loss. If you see a fake Fox News website that's designed to look like Fox News, but it's not Fox News, don't believe it. If you see anything about how the New York Times or CBS, ABC, Fox, CNN broadcast something about this, those logos on the website that I saw with the video, it's just another lie. Apple cider vinegar doesn't have anything to do with this. There is no recipe. You don't need to make gelatin. The reason why they chose gelatin is because it looks interesting. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Maybe there's something in gelatin that, no. Gelatine Sculpt reviews, Gelatine Sculpt drops. I'd say it over and over again for very specific reasons. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. There is a join button down below. That button is big if you want to tap that. There's also a thanks button to the right, the thumbs up and thumbs down buttons. That as well. If you want to, do something with that, that'd be really cool. So I think I've covered everything. Go see a doctor. Gelatine Sculpt reviews and complaints. Saying it over and over. Go see a doctor. I'm not saying that this product itself is a scam, but I am saying there's scam marketing out there. Don't believe miracle promises and then get wrapped up in something. And I just remembered one more thing, so I'm not quite done. If you get a money back guarantee on a checkout page through a scam funnel, you can't trust it because it went through a scam funnel. They're going to want to keep your money, of course, right? If you saw a total and you were about to hit order, they might charge you, the scam marketers, not the company, might charge you more money than they claimed. I see that all the time. They might also charge you subscription charges of hundreds of dollars a month. And is that something that you want to receive? Of course not. Watch out for that. Call your credit card company if you did see a scam funnel with Dr. Jennifer Ashton, Kelly Clarkson, you ordered this product, report fraud in that case, if you can't reach anyone else with the company or something. And I hope that you benefited from this. This video went on a little bit longer than I thought. Thank you so much for watching.